Uh, Hi, ma'am. Can I
Yeah,
see?
hi, take yours.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, it's okay. May your good name?
Meenakshi, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, Meenakshi, what is your qualification?
BTech, ma'am.
Which your passport is?
Recently, ma'am, 2024.
What is your
Hyderabad, ma'am.
Hyderabad. What is your requirement?
Ma'am, I'm trying to take some IT courses. What are my options, ma'am?
Okay, first of all, there are so many courses that are available in our company. So, what are you interested in something in software testing courses are like
I am open to both, but I heard manual testing is becoming obsolete.
Okay, that's true. Automation testing is the future, but manual testing is still in demand.
Okay, what about the languages? And I heard the Java and Python is popular.
Yes, there are Java is a widely used in the enterprise of software development, and also Python is a popular, and data science is a machine learning. You can also consider it as a .NET if you are interested in Microsoft technology. We have also courses on mainframes, which is still under widely used in largest enterprises.
That's interesting. What about the DevOps? And it is a growing field. What about the cloud computing? I heard AWS is the best marketing leader.
Yeah, that's correct. AWS is the largest cloud service provider. You can also consider courses like AWS Certified Developer or AWS Certified Solutions. Yeah, we have also courses on mainframes, which is still under widely used in largest enterprises.
That's interesting. What about the DevOps? And it is a growing field.
Yes, DevOps is a rapidly growing field, and it is a culture and state of practice, the combination of software development and IT operations. So you can consider courses like DevOps is a foundation certification.
Wow, so many options, ma'am. Thank you for the giving information.
Yeah, you are welcome, Meenakshi. Good luck with your training.
Thank you, ma'am.